across the brow. On the fast trains in the left and right. Red apple, juicy squeak. A bouncy ball, jumping on my feet. 2 words, fun sounds, let's read them all today. Phonics makes us smarter, hip hip hooray! Blue sky floating high above. Soft wings fluttering with love. Warm sand tickling my toes. Big balloon, up and up it goes. Read the words, sing along, learn them one by one. Phonics is like magic, so much learning, so much fun. Say the words, sound them out, practice every day. It's Two-Word Phonics Song, is here to show the way. Blue sky floating high above. Soft wings fluttering with love. Warm sand tickling my toes. Big balloon, up and up it goes.
Thanks for watching this phonics fun video. Don't forget to buy your favorite toys and products from the link in description. Subscribe if you like and hit the bell icon to see this type of learn fun video.